and probably hug the judge. The judge said, "Please, Mama, move back. What do you want?" He said, move some gokoni. Okay, that thing you want to say, what is it? He said, even Iya Mohbad, I want to say something. He said, have you not told your lawyer what you want to say? He said, yes, I've told lawyer me. The lawyer then stood up. He said this, he said that, he said this, he said that. We want closure so that this boy can rest. This boy has been tormenting me. The spirit of the boy has been troubling me. The spirit of the boy is not allowing me to sleep. The spirit of this boy is not this. The spirit of this boy is that. The spirit of this boy. Bóyá mi ò gbọ́ dáadáa ni pé ó dàbò fún mi lẹ́gbàá lánàá, but ó dàgbé mi gbọ́ yẹn dáadáa rọ̀. Èmi ti rẹ́rìn lọ́gbà tí mo ti rí drama. At the end of it all, the lawyer had to speak for her and said, okay, what they want is, they want the body. That even the wife is here to say, now the woman stood up and said, wow, George, they have bullied me. They have named me the killer when they did not hear from me. Even the whole world, they are against me. They have called me. They have did this. They have done that. That Baba, even Baba has empowered people to be calling me murderer. That they didn't hear from me. That they have even the only body, the Mohbad son has been bullied. He's been bullied around. They've called him name. They've called him bastard. They've called him so many things that the court will not allow anybody to carry out second autopsy on her husband. That he cannot afford, or he cannot wait to see her husband being caught again the second time. That it doesn't all go well, and they want to bury the boy. That September 12 will make it a year. That they need to start preparing for the burial, and that the burial should come up on September 12, before September 12, a year after his death. That the judge should just give them order to go and bury the corpse. That they shouldn't carry out any second autopsy or toxicology. He narrated. And the judge said, okay. She said, myself, this is my husband's mother. Even her siblings, his siblings, they want him buried. They want him buried now. Only my father-in-law is kicking against it. That everybody wants the body to be laid to rest to do this. That I am married to him under customary. Under customary. He just said, look, in this matter, you are a wife, you have the mother, you have the siblings. If the father is saying you cannot bury, there is nothing anybody can do. All of you must come together and agree. All parties must come together and agree that the body should be laid to rest. Especially the father-in-law, who is the head of the family, is not agreeing with you. You now want the body to be buried. Truly, we respect you that the body be buried as at the time, but you have to convince the father-in-law. You have to convince the father-in-law if the man does not go along. The judge just said it passively. Now, one of the lawyers, oh God, that one with personal example. Personal example was, he said it and narrated it that, look, you married under custom. You are a Yoruba woman. And the family you married to is a Yoruba. If your husband is no more, there is somebody that gave birth to your son, to your husband. If that one did not give birth to your husband, who will you marry? Stanley. Say window lady. Wait. Say you know Jimmy no. Lawyers were there. My boy, let's see. So sorry. Meanwhile, as I was saying, so they had to, because I'm on the fourth boat. If I get to 8, I might not be composed anymore.
Wait, so I want to put laughing emoji, I beg.
Is that what? So is that my MBA friend? So I'm in his office. So we're together.